the metro going to Bangsu to get a next train. Not many seats on this one. Hello. Holding on. Whoop.
We've just got off the train in Prachuap Khiri Khan. We're about halfway from the train station to our hotel, walking. And it's a street market along the seafront. We're hoping it's also on other nights and not just tonight because it's Saturday. Oh, it certainly made the temperature go up with all this cooking. Unfortunately, people watching the video cannot smell all this. It's delicious smelling. Excuse-moi. Oh, and we're through the other side. Big restaurant there, and this up here should be a hotel. People come out on the beachfront here, or on the seafront, bring a chair and a beer and sit down, have a drink, have something to eat. Right, over there somewhere, Sarah. Does this look flash enough? I think so. $63 a night. Hard to beat. It's 6:30 in the morning. Here's our sea view that we couldn't see last night. Down here is the sea wall, protects the road. Down there's the hotel pool. So we're on the Prachuap Khiri Khan Pier. It goes a long way out into the bay. Islands and hills sticking up out of the water here, really cool. Especially those ones. The big place in the middle now is our hotel, Hadthong Hotel. There's the pier we've walked down. there, there's a temple on the top of a hill. I think we're going to walk up there tomorrow morning when it's a bit cooler. This is downtown Prachuap.
Sawadika. Ooh, look at the crabs. Sawadika. Very nuts.
Out for a morning walk in Prachuap Khiri Khan, and we're heading up there to the temple. Right, this is the steps up to the temple way up there. It's got a name, we'll refer to it later. We're calling it Monkey Hill at the moment. Apparently there's monkeys up here, so we had to go and get a stick from the man across the road. If you bang the stick on the railings, it should keep the monkeys away. Costs 10 baht to hire the stick. Give it back to him a minute. Off you go, Sarah. 397 steps to go. Oh, here's our first encounter with monkeys. Wish us luck. No. Yeah, just keep moving, thanks.
Yeah.
Ooh, having a fight. Why are they fighting us? They're not getting. We're fighting them. They're not getting us. Okay, we're part way up. One monkey tried to grab Sarah back there, but I think we escaped. And then a dog kind of scared a few away, which is good. Just got to go up there to the top. Sarah's dying because it's hot. It's not really hot. It's going to be hotter.
And I'm not dying quietly. It's hot. Oh.
We made it safely past all the monkeys. Sarah almost had a heart attack, I think. Too many steps. Some sort of shrine temple out there. Certainly a good view. And more steps. But no monkeys up here. There's a gate. and barbed wire to keep them out. This is the highest point, looking north towards Bangkok. South towards Malaysia, Koh Samui.
So Aaron's going to give the stick back and get a 10 baht back so the monkeys don't get us up the hill. That was a good stick, wasn't it? Sawadika.
Stationary monkeys, they're a bit better. We survived the hill and the monkeys. Time to walk back to the hotel. We're back on two wheels again, this time along the seafront at Prachuap. Got our Kermit the Frog bikes again. These ones are only 50 baht each. Heading around the seafront here. Oh, there's where we went for dinner the other night, next to the Greek taverna. It didn't really have a lot of Greek food. I'm heading around the beachfront here and then hopefully through the Air Force Base to a beach. Crossing the airfield. Here's the main beachfront. Still just heading along the road. I think we're still in the military base. You're not allowed to film and take photos in here, so kind of got to respect that, but I think we're into the residential kind of part now. You've got tennis courts and all sorts. Place here where you can do ATV riding or archery, or maybe you can do archery trying to shoot the ATVs. No, I don't think so. The Air Force Base is called Wing 5. There's our trusty bikes. High quality machines. Another beautiful day. How's this for a quiet beach? Just come down to the end away from the sun lounges. Oh, the water's beautiful. Prachuap's over that way. That's where we came from. That's the military base airfield, but with hardly any trees in the middle there. Just a stunning day. So quiet here, hardly any people. Way back from the beach, we've had a swim, a sit on the deck chairs. We're going back a slightly different way rather than the beachfront. We're going back through the town. food. Come back past the hotel, going down the other way towards Monkey Hill. It's up there. And check out this end of the beach promenade area. Pretty quiet, no cars. Oh, there's the monkeys. Hope they don't leap onto my bike. A couple of dogs. Hopefully they don't chase my bike. More monkeys.
Oh, that's the ones we had yesterday, isn't it?
Yeah.
They were nice. Oh, that looks nice, don't they? Yeah. Yum. Sawadika. What is this one? Pork? Kapkunka. Yum. I think we'll come back to that one. Yeah.